Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. I hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. And you all had studied what had taught in the previous classes. In the previous class, we learned that the volume of a rectangular block is the product of its length, breadth and height. And the volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Also, the unit of volume is cubic units. Now, how will you find the length, breadth and height if volume is given? You all know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Then length is equal to volume divided by breadth into height. Breadth is equal to volume divided by length into height. And height is equal to volume divided by length into breadth. Let's do some activities related with this. Activity number 1. A wooden block of length 9 cm and breadth 4 cm has a volume of 180 cubic centimeters. What is its height? It is given in the question that the length of a wooden block is 9 cm and breadth is 4 cm and it has a volume of 180 cubic centimeters. We have to find out its height. Then height is equal to volume divided by length into breadth. That is equal to 180 divided by 9 into 4. That is equal to 180 divided by 36. On dividing 180 by 36, we got the quotient as 5. Then, height of this wooden block is equal to 5 centimeters. Is it clear for you? Next, activity number 2. A rectangular block of breadth 2 centimeters and height 3 centimeters has a volume of 48 cubic centimeters. What is its length? Here it is given in the question that the breadth is equal to 2 centimeters, height is equal to 3 centimeters and the volume is equal to 48 cubic centimeters. We have to find out its length. Then length is equal to volume divided by breadth into height. That is equal to 48 by 2 into 3. That is equal to 48 by 6. On dividing 48 by 6, we got 8 as the quotient. Then, length of this rectangular block is equal to 8 centimeters. Is it clear for you? Next, new shapes. Calculate the volume of this figure. It is made by stacking cubes of side 1 centimeter. This stair is made up of 4 steps. For finding the volume of this stair, we have to count the number of cubes in each step. Its volume is equal to total number of cubes in the 4 steps. In the first step, the number of cubes lengthwise is equal to 9, the number of cubes breadthwise is equal to 9 and the number of cubes heightwise is equal to 1. Then the volume of the first step is equal to 9 into 9 into 1. That is equal to 81 cubic centimeters. Like this, we have to find the volume of the other steps too. In the second step, the number of cubes lengthwise is equal to 9. The number of cubes breadthwise is equal to 7. And the number of cubes heightwise is equal to 1. Then, the volume of the second step is equal to 9 into 7 into 1. That is equal to 63 cubic centimeters. Then the third step. The number of cubes lengthwise is equal to 9. The number of cubes breadthwise is equal to 5. And the number of cubes heightwise is equal to 1. Therefore, the volume of the third step is equal to 9 into 5 into 1. That is equal to 45 cubic centimeters. Next, the fourth step. Here, the number of cubes lengthwise is equal to 9, number of cubes breadthwise is equal to 3, and the number of cubes heightwise is equal to 1. Therefore, the volume of the fourth step is equal to 9 into 3 into 1, that is equal to 27 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the total volume is equal to 81 plus 63 plus 45 plus 27, that is equal to 216 cubic centimeters. Is it clear for you? Here is a homework activity for you. Do it well. That's all for today, children. We shall continue our class on the next day. Okay? Thank you.